Welcome to Hivika Technologies. For more updates, please like and do subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use Outlook custom DLL in A2019. So let's go ahead. Let me show you what exactly we are going to do today. So here is my Outlook, and this is my Outlook profile, and here is the one of the folder, and then inside there is one more folder. I wanted to read some of the emails with respect to the subject which I am looking for, and then if there are any attachments, then it will download. So this is what we are going to do today. So I just created one DLL file which deals with these three functions: get email, move email, and reply. So as part of get email, these are all the things which I'm going to use. Like, I'm going to give the profile ID and the location where the attachments and the emails has to store in my local, and then the email folder location, which is the main folder location is inbox, and then subpath would be test, and then previous days, like from how many days I wanted the emails to be read. For example, I wanted to read from last 2 days, then I will give 24 hours. It should be in hours mode. And then body type, when I read the body, either I wanted to save this as a HTML or I wanted to save this as a text. If I want both the formats, then we can use the two, then it will save both the formats. And I need to mention the specific subject so that it is going to read and download those particular subjected emails. Okay, let's go ahead. This is my automation anywhere A2019. I'm just creating a new task, or I can say new bot. So Outlook DLL, I'm just creating it. So basically in my one of the previous video, I already shown how to use a DLL in A2019. So today it is a little different, how to use a custom DLL for the Outlook. So I just seen one or two videos in YouTube that explain about how to read the emails or send the emails using the email commands in A2019. But this is something different, which is we have customized a DLL file with respect to our needs. Let's use the same DLL command. So we have a DLL, one of the command here. Let's take that, and let's choose the DLL file. I'm just taking it from my local machine. So I'm just giving the DLL file path, just saving it, and then I just open the DLL, and then I need to run a function. Then I just take run function option under the command under the DLL main command. Let's give the namespace. The respective namespace for the Outlook DLL is Outlook DLL, and then we have to give the class. So class would be read Outlook, and the function would be get email. So this would be get email. So, and then I need to add parameters. Let's take it from here. So the first one is email. So let's give the email, and type would be string, and then email ID. I'm just saying insecure text. We can give it as variables, or we can call it from the control room, whatever we want. Okay. So this is the profile which I need to read the emails, and the second one would be folder location. So again, this is also a string variable, and I'm just going to use this folder. So and then likewise I need to add all the parameters which I need to supposed to pass for this particular function. So again this is also a string, and this would be a email folder location. This should be inbox, my root folder. Basically if you use basic email commands, email automation commands, you might read all the messages from the specific inbox. But this case my requirement is there is a folder, under that there is one more folder, I need to read the emails from there. So if I can relate this to real-time scenarios, like for example I have a email account, my email account was tagged with the different shared mailboxes. So that cases I can select the profile of shared mailbox. Inside that there is different folders, traverse through the different folders and take the or read the emails. So this is how we can relate the same thing in real-time use cases. So then subpath would be test, so that is also a string. So this is the subfolder which I named it in my email account. If you can see it in my Outlook, you can see that here. Okay, let's do this Outlook test. There are two emails, one is with attachment, one is without attachments. Let's try for that. So here is previous days, it should be int. So like if I want from last 2 days, I can give to 48 hours. I need only 24 hours one, then I can give 24 hours. Let's say last 1 day, then I can give 24 hours. If I need 3 days, based on multiplication factor of 24, we can give it based on the days. Okay, and the body format, this is 0 for text, 1 for HTML. If you give 2, it will give both. Let's say this is also a int. I'm just giving 2 here so that it is going to store or save both of them text as well as integer. And then subject, so subject would be, let's say, what is the subject? Outlook test. Okay, let's give Outlook test. This should be the string. Sorry, Outlook test. Okay, I am done with all the input parameters. Let's close the function. Okay, so if you can see it here, we have given email, that is the profile, and then the local location where the emails and attachments should be stored, and the email folder which is mailbox, root folder which is inbox, and subpath which is the test folder, and how many days, 24 hours which is 1 day, and body type format which would be 2, which means it's going to store the output in text as well as the HTML, and the subject would be this one. Let's save this and run our bot, and let's see. So this is going to store the things here. So let's see. I think there is, okay, it started, let it go. Unsuccessful because this directory system dot string, no method found, DLL name with get email. Let's see what it is. This is the one. Let's go back and okay, I think there is no change. I am just suspecting there might be some white space. no space here, and path nothing. Okay, let's test it again, and before that let's close this. Let's remove the previously created one. So it's going to execute and it's going to show the output in that particular folder. Okay, and argument system collection directory. Okay, let's check. Okay, here it is. If you can see email, this is byte. This is clearly saying it's supposed to be string, but we just given as a byte. So that's what this particular dictionary have inappropriate data type. That's what it's thrown in under. And now everything is, this is the string, int and string, everything is looks fine now. So let's run it. So I'm just going to show only one function, which is get emails or read emails. There are two more functions we can concentrate. So like there are two emails, as I mentioned in the Outlook. There are two emails. One is Outlook test with attachment, and the another one is Outlook test without attachments. Let's verify how does it come. Okay, so this is the main XML file. So here it will show the entire emails, whatever it read. So this is the email conversation ID, and sender is Hithka Productions, and email 2 is also Hithka Production, and first email there is no attachment. So those emails were stored in mail 1. Let's go back and see there. So here is the mail 1. So I just mentioned 2, right, when body type is 2, which means it saves the output in body as a HTML as well as a body in text. Let's see how it looks in HTML. So this is what it says. Hello, hi everyone. This email is just to test the Outlook DLL functionality in A2019. Please ignore this email. Let's see how it looks in email. So this is the one. See, the same, like this is the same which is shown in the, or stored it in I can say HTML. Let's check it in body in text as well. So this is how the text comes. Okay, so this is the subject Outlook test. So if there are attachments, how it looks. Let's go back to the, if we can go back to here. Sorry. So go back to here. This is the mail second one. So you can see the attachment is S, and you can see the received date and modified date, all those things, and the subject. This is going to store it in mail 2. So let's go back to that folder, 2 folder, and see. So there is an attachment also. If you can go there, there are 2 attachments found, and it has been downloaded. Let's go back to the email and check it. So these are the 2 attachments. So that you can see it here. If you can go to a body, you can see what exactly. So please find the attached document. This is how it looks like in the body in email as well. So this is how we can get the emails. If you want, like as I mentioned, this particular customized DLL has been created to move the email to some other folder, and then even reply also. Okay, so when we do the moving, we might need to work with conversation ID or correlation ID, which you can see it in here. Sorry, there it is. here you can see the correlation ID, right? This is the correlation ID. Using this we can reply, or you can even move also to some other folders. Once we read those particular emails, once we process those emails, you can move it to the next folder or some processed folders. So this is what the today thing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you feel this helps you to learn more on Outlook related stuff, please like the video and subscribe the channel, so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will get the notifications. And if anyone wants these DLL, and if you want to try some practice from your side, please drop me email. I will share those details. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I hope this video helps you. To get more updates, please like and subscribe the channel.
Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section. We'll get back to you.